Hello, welcome back to Syntax Smarts again. Here we are up with a new video. It's been just a week that Deepseek AI came into the market and it's quite amazing. The topic of the video is just on the screen, creating a wrapper around the Deepseek AI. If you ask me why, it's just better utilization of that large language model. And here we deal with the code. The prerequisites to make this tool is just Python Streamlit, Olama, and LangChain basics. These are simply enough. This is the code that actually created the tool that have appeared on the screen earlier. Let's just get a test of the tool. Let me ask a question to the tool like, explain me briefly about agentic AI and provide a simple roadmap to master it. Since we are dealing with Olama, it deploys large language models in our system locally. So there comes a problem that our system needs to be highly configured like 32 GB or 64 GB RAM along with some good GPU. Yeah, here is the response. Uh, this response is actually a combination of the thought process of this DeepSeek AI along with the output that it actually gives to us. Yeah, the top one is the thought process of itself and some key highlights like roadmap to master agentic AI. Let me go with another question asking like what are the prerequisites of agentic AI? Here you may ask me a question like, hey, what is agentic AI? Agentic AI is something like a type of artificial intelligence that provides some real decision making ability with some minimal human input. Let's see how the model response would be. Yeah, there's the response again. The above one is some thought process of the model, the prerequisites like solid computational foundation, good learning algorithms, and etc. And that's up for this time, guys. Let's be on touch with what's going in the market. If you want the whole code of this project and also coming up, just comment down. Thank you and goodbye.